How to fix your purchase could not be completed in App Store iOS 18. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option of Screen Time. Now, here you're going to find an option. Click on the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, head towards the option iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here you're going to find two sections. Under Store Purchases and Redownloads, you'll find the option of In-App Purchases. Click on that option and check in for the option of Allow. Now, head back, navigate to the main page of Settings. Head towards the option General. Navigate to the option Language and Reason. Click on the option Reason. Now, here you're going to find different option. Set it to the region you are currently living in. With that, your problem might be resolved. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is head back, close this, launch your App Store, click on the profile icon given at the top right corner, navigate to the option Apps, click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Now click on the option of Manage Payments. Now go ahead and remove your payment details, number, expiration, and CVV. After you remove it, click on Done and again refill it. Provide all the details again and then click on Done. By applying this solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix your purchase could not be completed in the App Store iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.